Nurse, just maneuver to describe a person strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. It is indeed a high blessing to be first and last to witness the beginning and end of the life. In ancient time, the hospital were horrible, dirty places, and the sick were looked after at home. Girls were not preferred to take care of men. When you give care, they look down socially. There were still closing irises, superstitions, religions, and magic. People used to live on tantrums much more than the healthcare facilities. During this dark period of nursing, on 12 May 1820, a baby girl was born on Italian family of Mr. and Mrs. Nightingale. She was a daughter of well-to-do English parents, and they wanted her to become a socialite, but she preferred to avoid it. Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick and poor in the village near her. From a very young age, she was different since her childhood. She flourished to be a different person. At the age of singing, dancing, playing, she could see the pain on every woman, old people, and even in animal. It was a normal day, but not for the Florence. One day, she saw a little puppy crying in pain. So her beautiful heart felt pain for puppy. So she took her home and took care for that puppy. This incident changed her life forever. From onward, she believed that God had called her on His services, so she decided to become a nurse and serve the humanity. Life was not easy for the Florence. Nightingale approached her parents and told them about her ambition to become a nurse. Her dream to become a nurse was not an objective for her parents because at that time, nursing was not a respectful profession. Every parent wants their children to be happy, and knowing how disrespectful her dream was, they refused her. After much of the struggle with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as a nursing student in Lutheran Hospital, Germany in 1844. She returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. She was highly dedicated and impressive. She was promoted as a superintendent within a year. In October 1853, the traffic was between England and Russia, which was massive and injury to the soldier. Danger soldier taken to the various military camp, but England resident approached about the neglect of their injured soldier. Again received a letter from the Secretary of War in late 1854, asking her to organize the thought of nurse to take care of this weak with a single team of nurses to fight with a victory which was duty was silent. In Turkey, she was shocked to see the overcrowded, unhygienic hospital. Her effort and knowledge brought down the great toll of the wounded soldier by 2 out of 3. When she was back to London, she met with a hero's welcome. M.D. Mohan rewarded her work for presenting her an engraved rod that later came to known as Nightingale Whale. She was also given a cash of $250,000. She decided to use rewarded money to further her causes. In 1860, she founded the establishment of St. Thomas Hospital within it. She started the first training school for nurses named as Nightingale Training School. This after, Nightingale became a figure of public admiration. This after, Nightingale became a public admiration. Thanks to Florence Nightingale, nursing professional must no longer be formed. Today, Florence is also known as the founder of modern nursing as well as the lady with the lamp.
निकली थी एक चिराग लेकर, चिराग बन जाऊंगी सोचा न था। शुरुआत तो बस एक मरहम से की थी, आज इलाज से जुड़ जाऊंगी सोचा न था। ऊंचाई के शिखर पे पहुंची हूँ, आज हर जगह मेरी परछाई है। अब वक्त बदला है, हर किसी को मेरी ज़रूरत है। कई वर्ष पहले ANM, GNM तक सीमित थी, अब दुनिया में बदलाव ला चुकी हूँ। अब BSc को भी हासिल कर चुकी हूँ। पहले अस्पष्ट आँखों में उजाला करते थे, अब दवा से भी दर्द को कम करती हूँ। अब MSc को भी हासिल कर चुकी हूँ, थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल को मेल को समझती हूँ। रिसर्च में भी हासिल कर चुकी हूँ, इंजेक्शन, टैबलेट, मेडिसिन तक ही नहीं, अब टेक्नोलॉजी को भी समझती हूँ। आज कॉलेज भी अधूरे हैं मेरे बिना, आगे की पीढ़ी को भी ज्ञान में सहयोग करना है। आज मैं कहा है नहीं भूलूंगी। नर्स, प्रोफेशनल, काउंसलर, मिडवाइफ, रिसर्च, मैं माँ का दर्द और बच्चे की चंचनाहट से जुड़ी हूँ। मुझे वहाँ मिडवाइफ या पीडियाट्री नर्स कहते हैं। एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी ECG के तारों से जुड़ती है। मेडिकल नर्स या सर्जिकल नर्स कहते हैं। किसी के इमोशन में साइकोलॉजी से जुड़ती हूँ, वहाँ मुझे साइकियाट्री नर्स कहते हैं। लोगों के घरों से बीमारियाँ दूर करती हूँ, जहाँ मुझे कम्युनिटी नर्सिंग बोलते हैं। उन श्रद्धाओं के बीच मुझे मुस्कुराहट मिलती है, तब मुझे मिलिट्री नर्स कहते हैं। बस मैं अपने देश में ही नहीं, फॉरेन में भी आगे अपनी पंख फैला चुकी हूँ। देख रहे हो कहाँ मैं चिराग बनकर निकली थी और कहाँ उसकी प्रकाश फैला चुकी हूँ। जीवन की डोर हो तुम, जीवन की डोर हो तुम, जीवन संचार हो तुम, जीवन संचार हो तुम, करती नैया पार हो तुम, नर्स नहीं भगवान हो तुम। कहीं सिस्टर तो कहीं दोस्त बन संभाल लेती हूँ, कहीं सिस्टर तो कहीं दोस्त बन संभाल लेती है। ये मेरे देश की नर्स है, दूसरों को भी अपना सा प्यार देती है। थैंक यू।